Water saving is the word that is on everyone's lips. How do we save it? How do we get more out of it? And today we've got just the product to show you how. It's called EXLGel. And guys, this is like miracle stuff. One little sachet like this is going to save you loads and loads of water. And it's pretty simple. But first I want to make the magic. Let me tell you what it is. It's a polymer. A polymer, don't worry about that word. The bottom line is it sucks up water. When your plant needs the water, it'll take it back. And the most important thing about it is that also it's really going to help your plant. So have a look here. As an example, to show you what it does, I'm going to add the sachet, mix this round, and I've always wanted to be a magician, but watch this. And of course this is just an example. This is not how you would use it in the garden, but to show you how this works, all the water in this glass is soon going to be absorbed. Grains are absorbing the water. Look what's happening already. And that is what we're going to end up with. The water has simply been absorbed up by the granules. You can see how much, I mean, that's 5 grams. When planting directly into the garden, as in not in containers, you're going to do the same preparation. So your compost, your bone meal, your organic pellets into the planting hole, and then you're going to take 1 sachet, diluted into 1 liter of water, and you're going to put that in the bottom of the planting hole, right where the root zone is. Your new plant that you're going to put in directly on top of that slush, fantastic, right in the root zone, and then continue your normal planting.